very pretty in the blue thing you tried, by the way. You should quickly buy it.
Oh, you
Okay,
did? That was
great.
quick. Listen, can I ask you, how old are you? Oh,
But you have to wear it a little lower, okay? Yeah. Sorry, I couldn't resist.
you're lovely and you looked. Is that your first lehenga choli? Is that your first one that you ever, you've been wearing a lot of lehenga cholis? Okay, I'm honored. Just after the Vogue wedding show, the next day or in a couple of days, it'll also be. Yes.
So 6th, 7th, 8th is in Delhi. After that.
After that, in the stores.
5th, 6th, 7th.
Thank you.
5th, 6th, 7th. 5th, 6th, 7th.
Me? You know, मैं कुछ भी आंसर
So this is
बोलूंगी
not a
ना.
press conference. Huh? Just by the way. Yeah, let's not get personal. Fashion and style.
I think let's talk about the wedding collection.
Yes.
I'm not gonna fall for this trick because whatever, no matter what I answer, आप दिखाएंगे वही. देखिए, यामी मैडम के ख्याल शादी को लेके. So I think no, the occasion is so beautiful. I think we've just put it together. I think every girl feels beautiful. You know, when she's
Yeah,
dressed.
I think today it's about every bride to be, because for us, every bride to be is so special. And I think really as designers, for me, I feel gratified when I come to the Vogue wedding show and I meet all the brides and grooms. And you know what I do? I get completely sidetracked, Anita. I sit and ask them, how did you all meet? How did you all fall in love? Who arranged? And then I get so caught up in there. I'm like, oh my God, you feel part of that whole,
No, I definitely
excitement.
feel major FOMO. I feel I want to wear those clothes, not them. Give it to me.
No,
So-
I get very excited for them.
Anyway, thank you.
Not at all. I'm known for my professional life, no? Why will you ask me otherwise any question? And this is an occasion, it's a platform where I just said, we have the best of the best from fashion industry. We can't put it down to anybody's personal, I don't know what do you mean by personal life or personal questions, but I think it's a beautiful occasion. Let's have fun. Let's have a look at the wedding collection, which I'm really excited. We were just seeing, yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, can we have a photo
thanks,
op with all
everyone.
the models? Thank you.
All of you. Yeah, look here. Right. All of you right.
Somebody here to
मैम थोड़ा पीछे। हाँ ठीक है। इधर सेंटर में जाना। हाँ। हाँ तो जाओ। पूरा कृष्णा उधर शिफ्ट हो ना, अपने को नहीं मिलेगा। यार तुम लोग तो हो गया। मैम both of you right. ये सिर्फ फोटो की बाद में तुम बाइट करो आराम से। यामी राइट। यार आप मेरे फ्रेम में हो भाई, चलो ना। हाँ एक केबल आ रहा है। हाँ इतना रहेगा तो वेट प्लीज अरुण माइक लगा ना।
अरे अगर मैं जैसे भी नीचे आती हूँ You've just seen the very wonderful bridal collection.
Yes.
Can you tell us something about that?
I've not just seen it, I'm wearing also one of them, and I've always been a huge fan of her design. I think so many of us, we've been, and it's so stunning, it's beautiful. I love the gota work, I love the silk, I love the color, and the fact that it's so light, and I think the concept is the gypsy bride, right? So if you're a gypsy bride, you're a little boho, you'll dance, you should just feel, free spirited, and that's only possible if you're comfortable in what you're wearing, and of course look stunning. So thank you so much for making me look beautiful.
And I love the jewelry on you too.
Thank you.
And Anita, can you tell us a little about the Vogue Wedding Show as a platform?
I think the Vogue Wedding Show is the perfect place for brides to come and have a look at what all the country's best designers have to offer. Vogue curates, who shows at the show, so you get to really see the best. Whether it's jewelry designers, whether it's wedding wear, whether it's gifts, it's saris, it's invitation cards, it's really a one-stop shop for brides and grooms and the whole family.
यामी कई देर से आपके बारे में कई चीज़ें खबर आ रही हैं। श्वेता ने कहा है कि आप होम डिजाइनर हैं।
चलिए मैं बोल देती हूँ। ऐसा है कि इतने अच्छे ओकेजन के लिए यहाँ पर आए हैं। सच अ ब्यूटीफुल ओकेजन। क्यों आपको डिस्गस्टिंग क्वेश्चन पूछने हैं? बिकॉज आई एम नॉट हियर टू रिप्लाई एनीथिंग व्हिच इज नॉट वर्थ।
आपका नाम आ रहा है हमेशा। प्लीज
मैं अभी बोला कि इतना अच्छा ओकेजन है। इट्स सच अ नाइस ओकेजन, इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल ओकेजन, लेट मी प्लीज एंजॉय। आई एम सच अ बिग fan of her work, and the platform is amazing. Vogue, it's the leading, I think, fashion magazine of the world, so please let's stick to it, and it's too disgusting a question.
बात ये हो रही कि यामी के इमेज
It's too disgusting a question. आप जब तक सवाल नहीं बदलेंगे मेरा आंसर नहीं बदलेगा। आप जब तक सवाल नहीं बदलेंगे मेरा आंसर नहीं बदलेगा। आप जब तक सवाल नहीं बदलेंगे आंसर नहीं बदलेगा। Anything as per. Thank you so much. Thank you. Rani Pink. I feel like a Rani. I feel like a Rani in Rani Pink. I think Pink and me have definitely some past life connection.
I think most girls, I've always seen they melt at pink,
Yeah,
I love the shade of pink. I don't know whether you guys understand, but we really strive to give you a different shade of pink every season.
Thank you so much. I think she said it absolutely right. If you're wearing something so striking and so stunning as Rani pink, and the way it's designed, you don't need makeup. You don't need anything to deck up or kuch be artificial. That's why even the jewelry is absolutely minimal, and I naturally feel good.
या भी एक वक्त अगर ब्राइड यूजुअली रेड कलर ही पिक करती थी अपने गीते के लिए, पर आजकल ऑरेंज, पिंक, द वे यू आर वेयरिंग, बहुत सारे डिफरेंट कलर्स आ गए हैं. आप अपनी शादी के लिए कौन सा कलर पिक करेंगे और किस तरीके का?
मैं तो आज सिर्फ वेडिंग कलेक्शन की ही बात करूंगी.
आप कौन सा कलर अपनी शादी के लिए पिक करेंगे जब आप?
I'm just very happy being a part of this. Thank you so much for having me. And my favorite color is my mom tells me every color looks good on me, so I don't know. I don't have any favorite.
I think
but
she's
I think
got a
today's
beautiful skin. Yeah, she would look. But this pink looks very special.
Actually, my mom said that because जब हम trial कर रहे थे तो she was around. I was just sharing with her, and she said, "Wow, how stunning this is!" And you
Yes,
must.
you chose the pink. Yes.
I chose the pink. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Nice one.